All right, so the assumption here is that the scanner hardware is all set up. The battery's inserted, the SD card is inserted, the scanner is turned on. We're ready now to set the scanner up for a new project. We're going to click Manage in the lower right corner. We'll click Projects and Clusters at the top. We will duplicate the default project. Click on Copy of Default Project and go to the project name at the top. We will type in today's date. So it is 0418. So the year underscore, month and day underscore, and the current time at 11:22 underscore, and my initials. Now you can use any name you want in the future. So you can use your case number, whatever. Just for this class, we're going to use this format. I do, however, recommend that you always put your initials at the end of any case number. That way you know who scanned what very quickly by looking at initials. I'm now going to go to File Base Name. Now I copied the file name and I just pasted it into the file base name. Makes it a lot quicker. And I go here to Initial Scan Number and change that to Scan Number 1. I'll click on the home icon in the upper right, and now I'm going to click on the inclinometer upper left. Check the inclinometer. I want that blue dot to be right in the middle of that crosshair. Look at your horizontal and your vertical as well to make sure those are centered. If you're pleased with that, click Home. Now we're going to go tell the scanner how to scan. We'll go to Parameters, lower left. We'll select the selected profile at the top. Now I'm indoor for this scan, so I'm going to choose anything but what I want. Accelerated is for indoor, standard for cars, extended is what we use for outdoor scans. We don't use this Object HD. Usually we don't use it in our job. So I want accelerated, so I'm going to click on any of these and then go back to accelerated. That will change it back to its factory defaults. I'm going to click the back button. I go down here and decide, do I want color? This is color photographs. That's what colorizes your scans. So I'm going to say yes. By turning that on, I now go to the color settings. When I go to the color settings, I want to choose horizon weighted metering in most cases. I always want high resolution imagery, and I'll go to speed mode. And this gives me a 3-minute and 7-second scan indoor with color. I'll click on the home icon. I'll make sure that the scanner's front is adjusted properly. Now that I have that, I would lay out my scale bar. That's the little 3-foot ruler. We'd put it out within 10 feet or less of the scanner. Click the big blue button in the middle. Once the scan is complete, it may put up this screen. Now this screen shows you all of the pictures that it took. So if you had to retake a picture, a particular picture, then you could select that picture, tell it to retake that picture, and then finalize your data. If you're satisfied with all of these pictures, you click Finalize Data. Now the scan itself will not be colorized on the scanner. It's not until it gets into the software that we see it in color, but this is the scan data. You simply move to the next position, making sure, because we're on accelerated, we don't want to walk any more than 7 paces. This way we have the proper overlap. When we set the scanner back down, we'll check the level, move the scale bar, adjust the front, and scan again.